Michelle and Wei Yi saved a total of $4,586. Wei Yi and Rachel saved a total of $1,321. Michelle saved 6 times as much as Rachel. How much money did Wei Yi save? Okay, this should be Wei Yi, not Wei Li. Wei Yi. Okay. So in these two scenarios, there is a repeated identity, which is Wei Yi, okay, because she happens twice. So when we draw the model for this, Wei Yi, we will draw it in this way. At the second model, we will draw Wei Yi in the same position as well, so that we are able to compare the difference. Okay, so in the first model, Wei Yi and Michelle will be a bigger model. Why? Because they save more money as compared to Wei Yi and Rachel. So 4, 5, 8, 6 here. Alright, and then the second model, Wei Yi and Rachel, it's just a small amount here. Total is lesser, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and very important, they have given us the comparison between Michelle and Rachel. So Michelle and Rachel, Michelle saved 6 times as much as Rachel. So which means this is 6 units, this is just 1 unit. Six units, and for Rachel over here is 1 unit. And the difference between 4586 and 1321, you will be able to take away this part, and you'll be able to find this blank part here, which is 6 minus 1, which is 5 units. So 4586, take away 1321. 4586, take away 1321, and we'll get 3265. And again, this 3265 represents 5 units, which is this blank over here, which is 6 minus 1. Okay, we can find 1 unit next. 3265 divided by 5, $653. And we can find Wei Yi's amount, which is right here, question mark. Alright, so since we have 1 unit is $653, we have 1321 over here, 1321 minus away 1 unit, you will be able to get Wei Yi's amount. So Wei Yi's amount will be 1321, take away $653. Final answer for this question, $668.